So here's a little painting that I started a while ago, and I haven't finished it yet. But I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but I feel like something is missing. It doesn't look finished. And what I think is missing is that the highlights are not complete and the values are not complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch up this painting a little bit. So here's the painting, and as you can see, it's just, and I put a little bit of gold in there. I might actually do a little splattering of gold on top. Yeah, so I just added I brought out the white and made the contrast brighter. So I might have said this before, but sometimes if you wonder, like, how do you know when the painting's finished? Because you could go on and on touching it up, and you don't, how do you know when it's finished? Are you going to go on forever and ever? And so a little trick that I tell myself is, if I'm touching it up and I get to the point where it's getting worse instead of getting better, that's when I stop. So that's what I do. Anyway, there it is. How are you guys doing?
That pepper lead.
Yeah.
Because I remember putting it right there.
Yeah.
Little nick on the bottom, but
Oh no.
I can work that out. So I'm gonna go down to the thinnest part there and see if I can make something work.
Yeah.
There's the experimental secondary blowhole that goes through the bowl all the way. So I'm gonna use this as an experiment and just hold it like this, and when the tobacco gets low, I can open it for an extra chamber, and instead of throwing it away, we'll experiment and see how it works.
Sounds good.
I also used a cottonwood wax finish on it, just testing it out here.
Or calendula, or
Cottonwood bees.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try that out as a
Sounds
finish.
good.